Everybody see on your screen now. Area of rectangular garden is 900 meters square. The length is 1 less than 3 times the breadth. So we should assume let the breadth be x meter. Then length is equal to, what will be the length? They gave length is 1 less than 3 times the breadth. So this is 3 times the breadth, 1 less. Okay, this is what the length is. Now we know the formula of area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Area we gave 900 and length we have 3x minus 1. This is what the length we have. And the breadth is nothing but what we have, x. So you need to multiply now. X into 3x we will get nothing. 900 is equal to 3x square minus x. Get this 900 here. You will get the answer 3x square minus x minus 900 is equal to 0. Okay, understood? This is the answer. So next question now. and 18 diya. Answer we do not want. You should keep the answer in the form of equation, not the value. X is equal to value you should not find out. Sai Kiran, correct answer. Kiran, right answer. Always right answer. Good. Chalo boys and girls, now I will show you on your screen. Manoj minus 306 will get. Everybody look on your screen now. The product of two consecutive integers. Let two consecutive integers be. So what will be the two consecutive integer? Consecutive means like continuous. Like if I say one number is 2, then continuous integer is 3. So this is called consecutive integer. If you say this is 2 nothing but x, then how you will get 3? How you will get 3? What you will add to 2 to get 3 consecutive? You will write x plus 1. So consecutive integers are x and x plus 1. These are the two consecutive integers. Next they said what? So product, what is the meaning of product? What is the meaning of product? Product nothing but multiplication. So write down x of x plus 1 is equal to 306. Multiply x into x, you will get x square. X into 1, you will get x is equal to 306. Get this one here, you will get x square plus x minus 306 equals to 0. This is the answer. No need to simplify further. Understood? Rohan's mother is 26 years older. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Rohan's mother is 26 years older. Okay, let us take, let the Rohan's age be x years. Rohan's mother age 26 years older means x plus 26. Correct now? Correct now? Rohan is X, mother is 26 years older, so X plus 26. So next data now. The product of their age 3 years from now. 3 years from now. This is very important. Product of their age. The meaning of product means multiplication. 3 years from now means from now 3 years. So let us do it. 3 years from now. Rohan's age will be X plus 3. 3 years from now. Rohan's mother age, it is now X plus 26, but 3 years from now will be plus 3. So we'll get X plus 29. 26 plus 3, 29. Now we will go for next data. Product. What the data is? Product. So let us take the product. So now Rohan's age is X plus 3. Mother age is X plus 29. The product of their age is 360. Simplification is very easy now. Multiply X into X. X square. X into 29, we will get 29x. Correct? Understood? Next, we should multiply 3 now. Multiply 3 into x, we will get 3x. 29 3s are 3 9s are 27, 3 2s are 6 plus 2 8 is equal to 360. Now get this 360 here according to with their like terms. So we'll get x square plus, these both are like terms, 32x plus 87 minus 360 equals to 0. So if you subtract 32x minus 273 equals to 0. This much you should keep. Finish. Simple. It's not tough. Very simple, boys and girls. It's very simple. Okay. Yes, Vaibhav, it was looking correct almost. Yes, Chetan, right answer. Very good, boys and girls. Congratulations who got right answer. No. Spurti, I did not ask. 100 times I said you. I do not want the answer. I want equation form. 100 times. The heading is that. Okay. Now you will just look on your screen, everyone. See here. You can see John and Jeevanti together have 45 marbles. So see here, everybody. For example, John and Jeevanti together they have 45 marbles. Understood? Now I'm not going to check the message. Kindly wait and please carefully understand. So we will write, let the number of marbles John have. You know na John banega John, like that. That is that John. Okay. For example, if John is X, then Jeevanti is equal to 45. Jeevanti is equal to, I will take as Jeevanti is equal to 45 minus X will get. Simple, directly you can do. Then Jeevanti add 45 minus X. John over Jeevanti over. This concept understood? This concept understood, everyone? Understood now? John is having X, then Jeevanti is having 45 minus X. Correct now? Okay. Now what? They will lose 45 marbles. I mean, they will lose 5 marbles. Sorry. They lost 5 marbles each. Both of them will lose 5 marbles. Both of them will lose 5 marbles. So, John, now we will write John have x minus 5. John will lose 5 marbles, so it will get x minus 5. Jeevanti have. Jeevanti is having 45 minus x. She will lose 5 marbles. So how much will get? How much will get 45 minus 5? How much will get 45 minus 5? 45 minus 5 will get 40 minus x. Okay. Next data says product. Next data says what? The product of. So we product of number of marbles now they have. So product means into. So John is having x minus 5 and Jeevanti is having 40 minus x. Product is 124. Simple. Now rest is calculation. Multiply. You can easily multiply x into 40. 40x. X into x will get minus x square. So first part is over of multiplication. Carefully, hope you are observing. If you get doubt, can message. Then 5. Minus 5 into 40. Minus 5 into 40 will get 200. Minus 5 into minus x. Minus into minus plus 5x is equal to 120. Okay. So now, see, you know that this x is there. This x is minus. So what I want, I want positive things here. So what I like positive things. So what I will do, I